Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to prepare this amazing Afang soup. It's a very nice delicacy in my place. I am from Akwa Ibom and I'm going to show you guys how I make it my way. So please enjoy the video. First off, I cook my meat. Today I'm using goat meat and tripe, and I'm going to spice it to taste. I'm using nor cube, some pepper, some salt, and some curry, whatever you really want to use. Then I'm going to boil it until it's soft. Keep adding water when you need to. I really wanted my meat to be very soft, so I just kept on boiling it. Next up, I have here is my water leaf that has been washed and chopped into little pieces, and I'm going to place it over the fire. I am not adding any more water to these leaves. I'm just going to place it over the fire with low heat. As you can see, as the water leaf cooks, it releases the water in its leaves, and that's exactly what we want. We want the leaves to be dehydrated. So you keep boiling it over low heat until all the leaves are dehydrated and there's little to no water left in the pot. In another pot, I have my stockfish, or we also call it eporoko, boiling, because I just don't like to boil it with my meat because I don't want it to affect the taste of my meat stock. So I have the stockfish and the pomo in this pot. So I'll have this boiling for a bit. I can't remember now, maybe 30 minutes or more. Just keep checking it. So now the leaves are quite dehydrated, just a little bit of water. And I'm going to go ahead and add the palm oil now to fry my dehydrated water leaf. So I'm just going to stir the water leaf with the palm oil lightly, just so that the palm oil gets everywhere. And I'm going to leave it to fry over low heat for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my meat stock to the frying water leaf with the palm oil. To me, crayfish is one of the most important seasonings for my soups. I feel like the more crayfish you put in your soup, the better it tastes. Go ahead and add more water to your soup if your stock was not enough. And just generally add more water to your soups depending on how much soup you want to make. Now I'm adding some freshly blended Scotch bonnet pepper. I love using fresh pepper for my soup because the taste is just always different and better. Then I'm going to add some nor cube and salt. Now I'm going to add in my cooked stockfish and pomo or cow skin that I've chopped into tiny pieces, just so that it can give that little crunch or chew in the soup. I just love it. Now I'm adding my cooked tripe and goat meat. I'm going to go ahead and add my washed, cleaned dry fish. You can use any dry fish you want. Here I used panla fish, but use any dry fish you want. Then I'm going to add my cleaned periwinkle that has been deshelled. I don't particularly like the ones that are in the shells, but you can use any one you want. This just adds some extra dimension to your soup. It just takes it to another, gives it that original Calabar Afang soup taste. Now for the final part of this soup, the final part of this amazing soup is the Afang leaves. This has been cleaned and cut into little pieces and grinded or pounded. This particular one was pounded, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into our soup base by just putting little chunks until I put everything in. And then we're going to cook this bad boy for another 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. So I kind of felt like my soup needed a little bit more palm oil because palm oil makes the whole soup. So I added a little bit more, and that's it. That's the soup. Super easy, so delicious. It's not so hard to prepare, and yeah, can be enjoyed with yellow eba curry or white eba. Here I'm having white eba. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video guys, please don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment for me, let me know what you guys thought, and please subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.